Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. My name is Hannah and I have a passion for organization and minimalism, and I make videos in hopes to share that passion with all of you. So in today's video, I'm going to be reorganizing my pantry and my fridge. So I actually live in an apartment and we have a pretty basic refrigerator. It's small, and we also have a very small pantry. So I'm just gonna hopefully be giving you guys some good motivation today to get organized. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, then please keep watching, and don't forget to like this video if you do, and subscribe so that you can keep seeing videos from me. I hope you guys will. So I'm just going to show you guys a brief overview first of the pantry. In my opinion, it's pretty cluttered, so it definitely needs some reorganization. And then here's just the fridge. Also needs to be cleaned out. There's probably some gross stuff in there, not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm just going to get started by taking everything out of the pantry. I do want to apologize if my voice sounds a little nasally in this. I believe I'm coming down with a cold or something. Hopefully it's nothing more than that. It is 2020 after all. This is everything that I took out of the pantry, all over my countertops. And we're going to organize it and put it back in. I'm just really quickly giving the pantry a good vacuum. Now I am going to kind of rearrange these racks. I got this hanging rack system that you put over the door. It actually helps a lot. It gives the pantry a lot more space, gives me a lot more places to put things, and it's really good for my spices because other than that area, I have no good spots to put it. So next, I'm going to just refill some of these spice jars while I'm at it. I actually got these spice jars probably about a year ago off of Amazon. I will link them down below if you are interested. I really like them. I think they're really aesthetically pleasing. just start by putting everything back in the pantry, starting with the spices. And as I'm putting things in the pantry, I'm going to reorganize them in different bins, as you'll see coming up. I'll kind of go back and forth between organizing bins and putting them in the pantry, that is. As you will see, my son has a ton of little snacks. He is a little bit of a picky eater, but he will always eat a snack, like anything crunchy or sweet or even salty. He loves snacks. So these are just my baking goods, which I'm transferring into a deeper basket that I can actually put on the bottom of the pantry. I really don't reach for baking items very often. I don't bake. I love to cook, but I do not bake. Not from scratch anyway. So this little tiered shelf that I just showed you is what I've been using to keep my canned goods on, but I literally have had this for like 2 years and just realized that it expanded. And when I found that, I was like, where has this been all my life? Pasta jars that I am using, I have all kinds of different shapes and sizes, and I actually got them from Home Goods a few years ago. They still sell them, so I would just check your local Home Goods if you were interested in getting something similar, or I'm sure they have tons of similar products on Amazon. If I find any, I'll link them in the description. So here is the finished pantry. I think it looks so much better, so much neater, and there's so much space for more to go in. So I actually filmed this organization video over 2 days, which is why you'll see now that I'm doing the fridge, I'm in a completely different outfit. But I'm just gonna start here like I did in the pantry, just taking everything out. There's a lot more stuff in the fridge that needs to just go in the trash than there was in the pantry. And here I am just checking the date on this package of cookies to make sure that they are still good, and they were, so I put them in the freezer to keep them even longer. Giving the fridge a good wipe down on this bottom part. This is the part that gets the most dirty. I really should do this more often, to be honest. I'm also going to remove this shelf here just to give me some more height so I can put some taller items. Going to prep some fruit for the week. My son loves fruit. As picky of an eater as he is, he will eat pretty much any kind of fruit. So he loves strawberries and blueberries, so I'm just cutting some up just so they're easier for me to pack in his lunches and I don't have to cut them up every single time I'm packing his lunch. So it just makes it really easy. These will be gone before the end of the week. And I got this food storage container from Home Goods actually, but they do have them on Amazon. I know Tiffany Beeston uses them a ton. So I will link the ones that she actually linked in her video. They are from Amazon, but if not, check your local Home Goods. They may have them there as well, and they're really affordable. So here is the finished fridge. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some good organizing motivation from this. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe so that you can keep seeing videos from me. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!